Welcome to Well's Quick Tips and Trick cooking channel, and hope you are all doing well. देव बरो दीस दिवन तुमकां सगल्यांक आनी मानता तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसतलीं तुमचे सावधीन आनी भलायकीन आनी कॅर घेयात मातशी but I hope everybody is well. So what I'm going to show today is mini pepper bells salad. So for that we need mini pepper bells. You get it in a supermarket. So I've taken one packet of this, multicolor it is. Then I'll be adding a few of salad leaves, few of iceberg leaves, 4 garlic crushed, 2 tablespoons like finely chopped dill, that is shepu. Then we need some black pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, any vinegar will do, salt to taste, and I'll be adding some, this is optional, feta cheese. Okay, so let's start. So for that, first thing we need to cut our mini bells. So now you can cut whichever way you want. Okay, I'll be cutting it this way, and you can de-seed it. Okay, so I want it in round shape like this. Any seed is there, you can remove it. So like this only you cut, and see, here are all seeds. I will use it to replant this. So we'll just cut this. Then our salad leaves. And this is little bit of coriander. Finely chopped. Okay, and now is the time for all the salad to go, this dressing. So we'll take 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you want to add more, please you can add more. Then comes our salt, which is important. Salt to taste. Then comes our crushed pepper. 1 teaspoon or how much you want. Then we give a mix. So yum. And last, which is optional, some feta. I love feta. All cheese I like. First we'll again toss this so that it goes to all, and then we will top up this. So yummy it is. The mini bells are very not spicy, and it's yum. You can either do like this and serve this. Thank you so much for this, watching my videos and trying and doing. Thank you. And this will come finely chopped again, garnishing. Sides, just to give an extra taste for our salad. Cilantro, or you can say coriander. थँक यू. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां हें आवडटलें आनी तुमी हें करून खातली. Easy, simple salad. Mini pepper bells. Thank you. Enjoy. Mini pepper bells salad. Easy, quickly and delicious. Try this.